Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best diets for losing weight. Listen, I know how frustrating it can be to sift through all the noise out there. Everyone's promising quick fixes and miracle results, but let's be real. Sustainable weight loss is about finding what works best for you. That's why we're going to break down the top contenders, examining the science behind them and helping you figure out which one aligns with your lifestyle and goals. If you're looking to shed some pounds and improve your health, stay tuned. Alright, let's kick things off with a crowd favorite, the Mediterranean diet. Now, this isn't your typical restrictive diet. It's more of a lifestyle change inspired by the eating habits of those living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Think Greece, Italy, Spain, places known for their delicious food and impressive lifespans. So what's the secret sauce? Well, picture this. Plates piled high with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. You're incorporating healthy fats like olive oil. Remember, your body needs good fats. And enjoying lean protein sources like fish, poultry, and beans. What makes this diet so powerful is its emphasis on fresh, whole foods and minimizing processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. It's all about nourishing your body with the good stuff. And the benefits? Oh, they're plentiful. Studies have linked the Mediterranean diet to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Plus, it's been shown to improve brain health and boost mood. Who wouldn't want that? Next up, we're tackling the ketogenic diet, better known as keto. This one's been gaining serious traction lately, and for good reason. It's a high-fat, very low-carb approach that forces your body to switch its primary fuel source from glucose, which is sugar, to ketones, which is fat. Here's the deal, by drastically reducing carbs and bumping up fat intake, you push your body into a state called ketosis. Now, your body starts breaking down fat for energy instead of relying on those readily available carbs. The keto diet can be incredibly effective for weight loss, as it often leads to a rapid decrease in appetite and increased fat burning. It's also been shown to improve blood sugar control, reduce insulin resistance, and even have positive effects on brain health in certain individuals. But, and this is a big but, it's not for everyone. The keto diet is restrictive, requiring careful planning and monitoring. It can be tough to stick to long term, and some people experience unpleasant side effects like the keto flu in the beginning. Now let's switch gears to intermittent fasting. This isn't about what you eat, but rather when you eat. It's all about cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can range from a few hours to a whole day or more. The beauty of intermittent fasting is its flexibility. There are various methods, like the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, eating normally for 5 days, restricting calories for 2 days. So, how does it work its magic? Well, when you fast, your body depletes its glycogen stores, which is stored sugar, and starts tapping into those fat reserves for energy. It can also boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and even promote cellular repair. Many people find intermittent fasting easier to stick to than traditional calorie-restricted diets. It can be a powerful tool for weight loss, improving insulin sensitivity, and enhancing overall health. Let's journey back in time with the Paleo diet, often called the caveman diet. The idea here is to mimic the eating habits of our Paleolithic ancestors, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that were presumably available during that era. Think of it this way. If a caveman couldn't hunt it, gather it, or find it growing in the wild, it's probably off limits. That means loading up on fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. Grains, dairy, legumes, sugar, and processed foods, those are a no-go. Proponents of the paleo diet argue that it can lead to weight loss, improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and increased energy levels. It emphasizes nutrient-dense foods and eliminates many common allergens and inflammatory ingredients. However, critics argue that it can be overly restrictive, potentially leading to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. Plus, let's be real, replicating the diet of our ancestors completely is pretty much impossible in today's world. Last but certainly not least, we're diving into the world of plant-based eating. Now, this can encompass a range of approaches, from vegetarianism to veganism and everything in between. The core principle here is prioritizing plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Some people choose to include small amounts of animal products, while others exclude them entirely. The benefits of a plant-based diet are plentiful. It's naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol while being packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Studies have linked plant-based diets to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Plus, it's a sustainable choice. Plant-based diets tend to have a lower environmental impact compared to diets high in animal products. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Remember, finding the right diet is a personal journey. What works for one person might not work for another. Listen to your body, consult with a healthcare professional, and choose an approach that aligns with your individual needs and goals. You've got this. See you next time.